Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel European Hair Fashion. I hope you are fine and doing good. First of all, I would like to tell you that in my videos I'll show you trendy haircuts, hair dye ideas and hairstyle ideas all over the world which makes you look more presentable. If you want to see the latest haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles, friends, then watch my video till the end and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon that you will be notified by my new videos. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you trendy short hairstyle for weddings. There are lots of wedding hairstyles for short hair. Bun, messy and twisted updos, braids, bobs and waves are all on the table. You can also consider a few of the more modern styles like fishtail essence, side swept or short sides with voluminous tops. Adorned with a pearl and silver pin for elegance, you may also consider a French roll for your natural warmth. But if your theme is beachy or garden inspired, an airy bridal updo for bob is perfect. Guys, watch my video till the end so that you do not miss any hairstyle idea. And if you want to get this look, take a screenshot of a hairstyle which you want. By saving the picture, you can easily get this hair look from any color. After watching the video, you guys must throw a comment in the comment section that you like my video, my channel, and suggest to me some good ideas for haircut, hair color, and hairstyles which you want. I will be very happy to follow your comments and I will make a video for you. Thank you so much guys for trusting on me. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch my videos till the end. This is very informative video for you guys. If you like my videos, share my videos on your social media accounts, share it with your friend so that they can visit my YouTube channel and watch the amazing videos and get amazing ideas for haircut, hair color and hairstyles. I will continue making more informative videos. Guys, please watch and support my videos. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. You will be notified by my new videos and share them with your family members and friends. That's all.